Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure your phone is unlocked and awake. This avoids accidental taps. Open Settings and type Hotspot in the search bar or tap Network and Internet, then Hotspot and Tethering. Once you land on that screen, scan for the active hotspot indicator so you know you're changing the right toggle. You want to act now to prevent connected devices from losing access unexpectedly, so keep the screen on and proceed to the hotspot controls. You'll now tap the portable hotspot entry to expose all options. This shows the toggle, SSID, and security settings. Switch the hotspot toggle to off and watch the status change from active to inactive. This severs client connections immediately. Make sure to also check Bluetooth tethering and USB tethering toggles and turn them off if they are enabled, because leaving them on can still share your data. Once done, the hotspot icon should disappear. You finish by confirming the hotspot icon is gone from the status bar and the settings page shows the hotspot is off. This confirms success. If the toggle won't flip or the hotspot seems to persist, restart your phone to clear temporary glitches. If problems continue, reset network settings as a last resort. This clears saved Wi-Fi and paired devices, but often fixes stubborn tethering issues. If you do reset, recheck hotspot status afterward to ensure it remains.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.